So hello YouTube, welcome back to the Front End School, and today we are going to be continuing our series intro to React, and we'll be making an Unsplash clone. So what's Unsplash? If you don't know, just go to unsplash.com. That is UNSPLASH Unsplash. It is basically a place where you can get non-copyrighted photos. In essence, it's just a search bar, and let's just search cat here and we get a lot of cat photos. So what we'll be making is this search bar, and we'll search something and hit a API request, and then we'll get these images of cats, and then we'll make this sort of a gallery implementation, and we'll see if we want to do anything else other than that. But essentially this is the project, the search bar, and the image, all these images of cats, right? Not just cats, but anything that you like. Let's say let's do desk. Yeah, so we will be using Unsplash's own API for this. This is a React project, and we are not going to bother creating our own backends at all. And our goals are simple with this project. We want to learn API calls, and we want to learn how to work with forms in React. So, you guys with me? Let's start. Open up the terminal, and wherever you are saving all these projects, just go to that folder and let's do a yarn create React app. Is this visible? Wait. Yeah. Is this visible? Yeah, and create React app. Let's do an splash clone. Uh, let's do splash clone, right? Uh, till the moment it's doing its work, let's just come here, and we left one thing in the last video, that is virtual DOM. Let's understand what virtual DOM is. So virtual DOM, okay, in the last video, as we all saw, that React tells us that we are not supposed to tell the browser as to how to do its job. React will do it for us, right? That's what we were going with, declarative kind of an approach, right? That is what React offers us. So what's virtual DOM? Virtual DOM is basically the part of React that facilitates that declarative approach to coding in web, right? So here's an example. Here's a really good example. I just did virtual DOM on Google Images, right? Consider this part, right? Let's say if we are doing normal vanilla HTML, CSS, JavaScript coding, and what's happening here is, consider this what do we call this? Consider this paper where this guy is, where this painter is painting something. Consider this paper as our browser, right? What happens there is, this guy, the painter, we become the painter, right? Because we tell the browser how to do everything. But what React gives us is, React gives us virtual DOM, right? So virtual DOM is essentially this robot which tells us, no, you're not doing this right. Let me help you with the browser, and tell me what you want to do, and I will tell the browser how to do it, right? Because the browser needs to know the how, but we don't need to understand how, right? We just need to know what, right? So this virtual DOM, we give our message to the virtual DOM as to what to write, what to draw on the browser, and this virtual DOM then tells this painter, this painter now is the DOM that we don't care about what to do, and this DOM now draws everything on the browser, right? This is what a virtual DOM is. Why is virtual DOM needed? Because we are humans and we are stupid, right? We don't know how to write optimal code for the DOM, so we end up telling the virtual DOM what to do. Now, virtual DOM is smart, and virtual DOM knows what is the optimal code that will be required to do a specific task, rather than relying on us humans, right? That is what virtual DOM is. Let's see if it's done. Yeah, it's done. So let's do a CD clone. Oh, not this one. Clones. Okay, CD splash clone. My bad. Open a VS Code here. Oh my God, it's so small. Let's open up the source folder, index.js. Is, I guess, okay, this is visible. Cool. No, we don't need to do tree here. Yeah, so let's just do one thing. Let's just do a little bit of cleanup and then we'll move ahead, right? Let's remove this. Report web vitals, we don't know. Index.css, we don't want right now. Logo file, let's just delete logo, setup, report web vitals, and all these three files move to trash. Index.css, let's keep it for now. We might need it. App.test.js, put it to trash. App.css, do we want to keep it? Let's keep it. But inside here, we'll delete everything. So app.css is blank. Same with index.css, we have margin, anti-alias, grayscale, font family. Let's just keep it as it is. Let's go to index.css. Oh, sorry, JS, app from app. Where is index.css being loaded? Acha, let's remove the logo from here. Okay, app.css. Let's see, come here. Okay, the index.css is not being loaded anywhere. Why? Let's do import index.css. Let's run the project from here. Let's do a yarn start here. The project starts. Okay, this will be a problem. Can't resolve the module index.css. That's the first problem. So it should be dot slash and then app.js will give us a big problem. So let's just remove everything here. Let's give it a p tag of asd, whatever. It just doesn't matter to us. Oh my god. Okay. Let's restart this app. Yep. We have this ASD, right? Let's do a little more setup. Let's just go to index.css, margin 0, padding 0, right? Let's see if it goes to the top. Okay, this is for paragraph tag. The padding is for paragraph. We'll also do body comma star here because we don't want our elements to have any sort of margin and padding. And yeah, we go to the top. If it's not visible, it's on the right top left, sorry, top left. So this is pretty much it. Our setup is done. One last thing that we need is the Unsplash API. So for that, let's just do Unsplash API search, right? Go here and yeah, you might have to log in. I'm logged in via Facebook. So you might have to create another app. So let's just okay, this app is already created. I'll delete it. Uh so, okay, this is what the screen for you should look like. Let's click on new application. The API is for non-automated high quality authentic. Okay, you cannot replicate core. Cool. Secret key must remain confidential. Cool. Do not abuse the API. Cool. Okay. Accept the terms. Application name is SPLASH splash clone. Clone for a clone to teach API requests with React. Create application. Yeah, we have the application, and what you will see is if you go down, you have your keys here. And so, mind you, I'll be deleting these keys once the video is done. So you cannot use these keys. Please get your own keys. And let's just wrap up this video for now, and I'll see you in another video. Cool. Bye.